Hello everyone, by the end of this video you will know how to make this beautiful animation, tricks on how to make cool colors, and in general I'm sure it will be a very useful video, especially for beginners. Please watch this video till the end as I have some gifts for you hidden inside the video. And guys, if you are a beginner in the After Effects and you want to boost your animation skills, just watch the next 10 seconds. I just want to say that if you want to learn After Effects faster, if you are a complete beginner, I made a special tutorial for you. You can now watch different breakdowns and tutorials about After Effects and be closer to me, so we will keep in touch. You can ask me different stuff, about After Effects, everything. So guys, I will just put down below the link on my website and you can check it out later. So guys, we are already in the After Effects and we have this simple animation. I like it so much, and this animation is perfect if you're a complete beginner and you want to learn some techniques in After Effects, and also we have these beautiful colors. So guys, I'm gonna to show you everything. This animation is pretty simple, and by the end of this video you will be able to recreate this animation, and use different techniques with colors and these rotations and everything like you can see here. Guys, we will start from creating the new composition. You just need to create the new composition, it's over here. Then we need to choose any preset you want, or you can adjust properties by yourself, over here. Basically I will use just this one. You will have this empty black screen, and first of all guys, we are going to create solid and we will use the grid for it. It will be like in our background. So here we have this anchor, so I want to make it more seen, and we will change the color for it. Let's make like this one. Then I want to use guys the vignette, it's over here, and let's increase an amount. Let it be like this, I like it. So then guys, look at this, we have this circle, and we have these rectangles. Everything is pretty easy. Circle we are going to make in this way. Let's remove the fill over here and let's increase the stroke. We will adjust it later. Pressing the shift on my keyboard, or you can find an alternative button if you're using MacBook, So I'm aligning it to the center and we have this circle. What we are going to do with this? So guys, first of all I used blending mode. Layer styles. We are going to use bevel and emboss, this one. So I want to find the light sweep effect, and we will just use it in this way. So let's adjust the center, something like that, and it will be maybe not perfect, but my target just to make you understand how I made these colors and everything. So guys, here we can adjust our width, our intensity, so we can make it in this way. Also we can change the color here, but basically we are using different white or any light color. You can also use this one like white, blue, something like that, but let's leave it in this way. So we created this like a circle, and then we are going to create this perfect rectangles, rounded rectangles. So for that guys, we are going to create using rounded rectangle tool, but here let's remove the stroke, set it to 0 pixels, and then guys we are going to find any dark color, maybe like this, and let's create a rectangle. Probably it shouldn't be perfect, but it anyway will be pretty good. So we will make this visual pretty good together. So let's create a mask, and we created this shape, and now using this mask we are making this mask around this rectangle. What's the point? So here we are going to the subtract, and now we almost cannot see this rectangle, but here we have the feather and we are increasing it, so we have this shape. Maybe we can make it in this way. So guys, you will adjust it by yourself. We have now this style, I have here a bit empty space in the center, and on the corners we have our colors. So the same we are doing right now. So here guys, I want to use generate and add the fill. Now it became red, but guys, we are going to make one more mask, and we will make these edges in this way. So we are making the edges for every edge, yeah, and let's make it in this way. Here guys, let's change the color for it. Maybe it will be like a blue whitish color, yeah. And now guys, we are going to find the effects, fill, and here compositing options, we are going to tap plus, and it's our mask number 2, yeah. We just created the mask number 2. So here choose the mask number 2, make sure you choose this mask, and then guys, we are going to increase the mask feather. So that's how you can make and you can add different colors to your like shapes, yeah, using a mask and using this fill option. When I like learned After Effects, when I like started learning After Effects, yeah, like it was like a game changer when I realized that I can change my colors in this way. So guys, this thing like crazy. It's very useful, so use it in your projects, and I hope it will be very helpful for you. So guys, now I'm making the same. Here I want to add maybe some white color. So it's our mask number 3, yeah. Let's open it, increase the feather, but we also need to find the fill number 2 and find the plus here, mask number 3. Everything is okay. And guys, so that's how I made these colors over here. Also, like we can add some even, I'm not sure if we will add here some light sweep. Oh no, not here. So if we will add here some light sweep, I'm not sure it will be perfect. Yeah, so guys, that's what we need to test. But I just made this composition in that way I just showed you. Maybe we should just decrease this mask, the first mask that we have created here. So guys, maybe we will make it in this way, like to make more feeling, something like that. So guys, you can add here a lot of different colors and make it look like this. After that, what we are going to do here, we need to like make any abstract objects. So for example, like this, pressing shift, I'm making this like a half squared, I don't know how to name it even because I'm not native, guys, sorry. So anyway, I am making these shapes just like that. In my case it shouldn't be perfect, yeah, and we will use any blue color like this, using layer styles. Here we can find the bevel. We will just leave it like that, and it will be like pretty good. Then guys, what should we do? We can like, let's together open the composition where I have my layers, yeah. Here I have 3 layers, as you can see, and like first one this one, second one this one. So the main idea, I just left like a rectangle with emptiness inside, yeah, with mask, and then I duplicated this layer and made this one, and on this one I used these colors. So guys, this is like the second way you can use. Anyway, it will be pretty good, and like you will get your good results, yeah. So guys, if you take a look on our main animation, yeah, we can see like it disappears, yeah, like we have only these rectangles. That's the point. I have this like a second rectangle over here, yeah. So this is like a rectangle with these like colors, yeah, and this one I have under with this rectangle. So the point here, we should make the same. So I'm duplicating this layer using Ctrl D. Let's delete the fill, and also we will delete all the masks here, but maybe not the first one. Yeah, let's leave the first one, and let's set back our mask, something like that. Yeah, because guys, as I said, when we will use keyframes, and we will need to like make it in this way, yeah, to hide it, to make them disappear. So we need to make these both shapes. We will use the opacity keyframes for it, but we will do it later. Now we are going just to duplicate these both layers and just leave it here. Guys, here we can like use anything you want, yeah, like this. And using different layer styles, you can make it in the same way as I did over here, but I used just the bevel and emboss, and it was pretty good. So guys, after that you will create these 4 rectangles, and you will duplicate everything, yeah, from this one shape. And after that, guys, by the way, highly recommend you to colorize them, this one, then this one, like to separate, yeah, from each other in this way. So you will use different colors, yeah, and then you will understand what you should pre-compose. So we will pre-compose this layer, and after that we can already make this feature with the 3D. So we will make it object into the 3D layer, yeah. And here, guys, we should change the position of this like a anchor point somewhere to the middle. It shouldn't like be perfect, yeah, because we will just use the rotation keyframes. So at the first second we will have like maybe even like minus 100, and somewhere here we will set it to 0, and it will be pretty good. So also, guys, as you can see, I used easy east keyframes, so you can find it here, or you can press F9 if you have this shortcut, yeah. Also we can edit a bit speed graph here to make it in this way. So anyway, it will be pretty good like this. So guys, you will make it with all your rectangles. I'm just showing you the techniques I'm using in this animation, and how to make the same colors, yeah. Here, guys, we can see this perfect and very beautiful shining, yeah, on these rectangles when they like rotating here. This shining effect becomes, yeah. All we need just to find this light sweep effect, use it on your rectangle, increase the width, increase the intensity. Now it looks like this, but we will change the color maybe to this one. And now, guys, we can adjust it. It's like up to you, yeah, how you will adjust it, but I will leave it in this way. You can like remove the edges, but I will leave it because it looks pretty good if you have this effect on the edges as well, yeah. So it looks pretty cool. And how we will use this effect, guys? All we need just to find the first point where we need to like use the keyframe, yeah, for it. So guys, here we are going to find the center. I'm tapping this button, yeah. We'll set it somewhere here, leave it like that, and use the keyframe for it. And somewhere here, moving forward, I will make it in this way. So I want to disappear it over here. And also, guys, pressing F9, I'm making it easy east. So guys, I changed a bit of direction to minus 30, and now it looks like this. But here we can see like it like freezed, yeah. So we should just move this keyframe a bit forward somewhere here, and now it looks like this. Pretty good, guys. I think like really good. I just want to increase the width, but guys, I don't want to like pay a lot of attention to it, yeah, because it takes a lot of time, and my goal, as I said, just to make you understand how I did it. So how we can make these rectangles disappear and like this scaling, yeah. So you have your rectangle, yeah, it's pre-composed, everything you have in this composition. So guys, we will use the scale. So look guys, I set this keyframe on the first frame, yeah, and moving forward somewhere here I'm making it scaled, so I scaled up to this one, and copying this keyframe I will paste it somewhere here because I want to like a bit hold it over here, and then I will copying this keyframe, duplicating it over here somewhere. So we will make it in this way. It will just like scaled, yeah, and turn back. And guys, how to like make it to disappear, yeah, we just find the position where we need to make it. So it's on our, so it's over here, and we just need to turn back to our composition, yeah, pre-composed layer, to the layer like to this both layer. We should just use the keyframe for an opacity, and here we just want to disappear it in this way. So it will be disappeared. You can increase the value, you can adjust it, you can make it more smooth, so you can make it better than me. So it will disappear, and in this way this rectangle appears, yeah, from this point. So when it disappears, it's starting scale, and if you will see my compositions, it looks like this. So I have these dark green compositions, pink, green, and this like sand color, yeah. So these compositions for each like rectangle, yeah, and everything looks like I just showed you in this case. And what also I can show you, maybe these like stars, I just made it for more better visual, I don't know. So I like very like this technique with the star. I just see a lot of guys using it, so we will make it as well. Let's use the color. By the way, as you can see, I used this star tool, yeah, and made this star. So guys, after you made the star, just find the polystar path, and here we just will use the 4 points for it. Let's decrease the inner radius, increase the inner roundness. So it will be like this, just as I showed here, and different other creators using these stars, so you can just make them as well. Pretty good feature, and for the beginners it will be pretty useful. Also you can use basically I use the deep glow, but it's paid plugin, so you can just use the regular glow. So you can make increasing the radius here. I want to make it in this way. I want to recommend you to duplicate the glow to make it more like saturated, to increase its intensity. So it will be like that. Pretty good, and I'm sure guys this video for the beginners like should be pretty useful. So I would be like glad if I would be a beginner, yeah. Right now I would be glad like to see this video. So I hope I hope guys this video was be really helpful for you, and sorry if my speech isn't perfect, as I'm not a native speaker, yeah. I'm trying to do my best. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and I appreciate your support, and we'll see you in the next video. Let me know what you think about this one in the comments below, and it will make me smile. Thank you so much.